how to format anyone's phone without password immediately. To do that, do the following steps. First, press the volume up and power button together and you'll land on this page. Now hit recovery, then hit OK. Please wait until it boots to the recovery mode. Now it's in recovery mode. Do volume down button and hit the power button. And again volume down and power button for confirmation. Please wait until it formats. It's wiped successfully. Now hit the power button again and reboot to the system by pressing the power button. It has rebooted successfully, and this is how you format. And that's how easy to format anyone's phone without password. Make sure you do that for more future videos.